Once upon a time, in a bustling city lived a curious cat named Catwoman. She was not the usual cat, but had a special talent for sneaking around and playing pranks. One day, she noticed something unusual. All the toys in the neighborhood were missing. The children were sad, and Catwoman felt a pang of guilt. She knew she could help. With a twitch of her whiskers, Catwoman began her adventure. She scampered through alleys, leaped over fences, and crept under doors. Her eyes, like two bright stars, shone in the dark, guiding her path. She arrived at an old, dark house. Her fur stood on end as she approached the front door. With a soft meow, she opened it, and to her surprise, found a room filled with toys. Giggling, Catwoman began to collect the toys. She piled them high and soon the room was empty. With a final purr, she closed the door and began her journey back home. The next morning, the children woke up to find their toys returned. They were overjoyed and thanked Catwoman, who waved her paw and disappeared into the sunrise. From that day forward, Catwoman was no longer just a naughty cat, but a hero in the hearts of the children. She had learned that helping others is the best way to make friends and spread joy. And so, Catwoman continued her life, always on the lookout for a new adventure, ready to help whenever she was needed. The end.